That sounds so incredible. What does the G-force feel like when you're taking off from the launch pad?
You go straight up, of course. You have to get above the air. If you want to stay in orbit, you got to go 5 miles a second. If you're going a little slower, it's sort of like throwing something sideways. Gravity pulls it down. But if you can throw it sideways at 5 miles a second, then gravity will still pull it down, but the Earth curves away underneath it if it's going fast enough. It like goes over the horizon before it falls. So that's how we stay in orbit, is we go 5 miles a second. But you can't go 5 miles a second in the air. The friction's just too high. So the rocket ships take you straight up to get you above the air. And that takes about 2 minutes, going straight up. And in 45 seconds, you're through the speed of sound, straight up and accelerating. And in 70 seconds, you're through the altitude and speed of the Concorde, accelerating straight up. And after 2 minutes, you're about 160,000 feet and 6 times the speed of sound, but you're above almost all the air. And then your first stage falls off. So inside, it's this incredibly powerful push in your back, like a dragster, but like one that's gone off the road. The vibration of pushing through the air, it's like a tuning fork kind of vibration. This enormous, powerful jaws of a dog kind of ride straight up. But then after 2 minutes, the solids or the stage that got you above the air is all out of fuel. It explodes off because you don't want to carry all that dead weight with you anymore. And then you use the remaining engines for the next 6 minutes or 6.5 to accelerate out horizontal, basically, to 5 miles a second. And so for the last 6 minutes, it's like a long liquid drive, heavy, steady, pushing, like someone with their fist in your back, pushing you faster and faster and faster, a smoother ride because you're above the air. And after just under 9 minutes, like 8:45 or so, you're exactly the right place, the right direction, and the right speed. The engine shut off, and you're in space, and you're weightless.
Wow. So it's 9 minutes.
Yeah,